Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Yesterday we could see both Nifty and Bank Nifty during the second half made a very good momentum. Today both the index has managed to close on a positive note. In Bank Nifty we just saw 0.21% gain, but at least it has closed on the upper level. And in Nifty we could see around 1.2% gain. One of the biggest contributor for this is IT index. Majority of the IT stocks performed well and we could see IT index closing around 4% positive. Companies like Tech Mahindra, TCS, HCL, Infosys all performed well. Our Indian currency went to all-time low. Now these companies, all these tech companies, majority of the income what they make is in dollars. When our currency value reduces and they're earning in dollars, this is a good news for these companies. Apart from this, US election results that also came today. Trump won the election. We know Trump has good understanding with India compared to China. So all of this created a positive moment in both of our index. Even mid cap and small cap index went up by 1% today. Right, it closed in positive. All this has influenced our market. Now as of now, the global cues from international market has supported our Indian market today, and also the currency fluctuation. The strength of US dollar has influenced IT stocks to perform well, so that has also contributed to Nifty's movement. Now if you see here, yesterday I had marked this resistance level where Nifty closed. Now in the thumbnail of the video itself, I clearly mentioned that Nifty is at fake resistance. Bank Nifty time for breakout. Now Nifty's gap up today would have created panic for people who entered at this resistance zone. My expectation was if market creates a flag pattern near our support, gives a breakout, we can expect continuation in Nifty. But without reaching this level itself, Nifty started rallying. That is when in our private Telegram group, I shared this update saying that continuously this area is acting as resistance. Now my expectation is this breakout will fail, so no confidence in call option trade. Nifty breakout can fail as per the view. Also, the resistance is very close, so no call option trade. Small stop loss we can consider PE trade. Now later point of day you can see after this update in Nifty we could see continuous momentum towards the downside, close to I think around 100 points fall. Around 10:30 I said buying pressure can start in Nifty right now. Success rate will change to 40%. 100 points fall. This was the buying pressure area. So if you have exited, you would have captured a good momentum towards the downside. Now the next setup I shared somewhere around 10:42. New setup in Bank Nifty with small stop loss near the day's low. We can look for call because risk for this trade is very small. I'll switch to 1 minute time frame. Now the logic for the trade was very simple. Yesterday market has moved very nicely towards the upside. After this gap up, market can trap buyers first, but there is no point in continuing the trend because at this breakdown many put option traders would have entered. Their stop loss is on the top. To hunt the stop loss, market can move towards the upside. So with that logic, I had a call option view. So as per that, Bank Nifty gave us the movement that we need, close to around 120 points. After that also I said my view about the market is still bullish, but US election is there, so we need to be careful. Later we identified this flag pattern setup, bullish flag pattern. This I have shared in the free Telegram channel also. So this bullish flag pattern setup also has given a decent momentum. Later I came live in this area itself. I had discussed that market there is a chance of correction. So at least if you have taken a call, please consider booking your profit or at least trail your stop loss. If you have done that, good. And later market moved towards the downside. Now during that 1 hour, I had given all the logic behind why market from the upper zone it can correct. After this breakdown, again we could see a momentum towards the downside. At this time, in free Telegram channel also, I have mentioned this is going to be a buying pressure zone. So if you are holding put, please be very careful. That update I shared around 120. Later, Bank Nifty started moving towards the upside. Again, a correction of close to 110 points. Later point of day, Bank Nifty just stayed sideways. In Nifty, my expectation was it will not go above 24,500, but market continuously moved towards the upside. The moment was after 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, I usually don't even look at the market. So this is what happened in the market today. Let's quickly discuss about what kind of trading setup we have for tomorrow. Now this is next week option chain data of Bank Nifty expiry. Here there is one important thing that we need to observe. 52,500 level on the call option side has highest number of open interest and 53,000 has good amount of open interest. On the put option side at 52,000 level we have good amount of open interest. So the major support for the market will be 53,000 and 52,000. In between, we have this range. So you have understood where we have more number of open interest. Now let us open Bank Nifty chart. You can see this is 53,000 level. This is 52,000 level. Our market is in between near this resistance. Also observe that there is a gap in the market which needs to be filled. Now the people who sold call option at the upper level and the lower level, they are kind of safe in a margin of 500 points. Within this range, if we plan for any kind of trade as option buyers, there is a high possibility that we might end up in trap. We need to trade very careful at this zone. Now let's say market directly opened with gap up. It has filled this gap. As long as there is no continuation, we should not be looking for a call option trade. Same way, if market goes below 52,000, we will wait for a retest, then plan for put option trade, where next market can come close to this trend line, right? Later it can reverse. So this opportunity we might try to capture, or breakout, retest, breakout. This opportunity we might think about considering. Directly at this breakout, looking at this continuation move, if you think to enter a call option trade, you might get into trap if market corrects, right? So please be very careful. At least at this range, if market is creating a flag, this is the pole, right? And this is the flag. Here, if you're getting any breakout, then we can be focusing on call option trade above 53,000. Or if this zone is consolidating after testing many times, if 52,000 becomes weak and corrects, then we can plan for put. Between this zone, I hope you are understanding that market can trap retail traders. So please be very careful. So in Bank Nifty, it is wait and watch game. Based on where it opens, additional details will be shared with you in the free Telegram channel. So please ensure you follow us. You can join by either scanning this QR code. The link is also there in the description box below. You can check it out. Now let's look into Nifty as it is expiry tomorrow. Traders, this is Nifty chart 4-hour time frame. Previously itself I have discussed this trend line is very strong support for Nifty. Continuously market is respecting this level on a higher time frame. Market has bounced back from this range. Now here if I switch to 15 minutes time frame, and what you can observe, this is a symmetric pattern. Market has given a breakout and it is sustaining at the upper level. Now in Nifty there are two possibilities. After continuous momentum like this, market, it will give a breakout. At this breakout, it might attract many call option buyers. After attracting them, market can correct. Later, the trend can continue. This is a famous price action pattern. There are two ranges which I have marked. This is the previous supporting zone, 24,375. As of now, market is near 24,500, little below that, right? So if market opens with gap up also, we will expect correction up to this area, so that all the call option buyers are trapped, market creating a flag pattern. Later, if the day's high is broken, then we'll be looking for call. Maybe we can expect a bigger momentum in the market. We cannot say on expiry day market can also reach 25,000. Now in case market goes below this level, then the next area of action in the market is this zone, 24,115, 24,200. If there is continuous correction, previously this was acting as resistance. Once it is broken, area will act as support. During this fall, market would have created liquidity. From here, if it gives a breakout, market has chance of next reaching 24,500 and it can go up to 24,800. So around 50% correction from this fall. I mean the recent fall. Okay, these are the only two setup. Now if you plan for random entry, thinking like this only movement we can expect tomorrow after this breakout, there is a high probability of market correcting, hitting a stop loss, later making the movement. So please be careful at this zone and this zone, right? This is the price action setup. On 4-hour time frame, we have discussed this is a strong support. Only if market goes below this level, 24,200, then we will see, okay, market is bit bearish. Later when it goes below 24,000, we will change our focus from bullish to bearish. Until then, we can wait and look for buying opportunities. So as of now, this is my view about Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you enjoyed this analysis, share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.